Say goodbye to Pro Max, hello to Ultra. All right, folks, spending $2,000 on a phone so advanced it could probably run your life if only you had enough battery to get through the day. Welcome back, Tech Warriors. Today, we're diving deep into the latest leak about Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 lineup. And trust me, this one's wilder than trying to fold an iPad in half. We're talking about a potential Ultra model that might replace the Pro Max, exclusive features like vapor chamber cooling, and why Apple is pulling out all the stops to make sure these phones don't just sell, they dominate. But first, let's break down everything you need to know before your wallet starts crying. If you've been wondering when the iPhone 17 series will launch, what's new with the rumored iPhone 17 Air, or how the Ultra stacks up against the Pro Max, stick around because we've got all the answers and then some. September madness strikes again. Just like clockwork, Apple plans to drop its shiny new toys sometime in September 2025. Why September? Because apparently summer vacations are overrated and everyone needs something to argue about online as fall begins. Seriously though, Apple loves consistency more than people love arguing whether pineapple belongs on pizza, which, by the way, it doesn't. Lighthearted jab. But here's the kicker. This year feels different. Rumors suggest Apple isn't just updating cameras and adding slightly brighter screens. They're going full rebrand mode. Think less tiny tweaks and more entirely new strategy. And honestly, who can blame them? After years of critics saying their designs feel stale, maybe it's time for a shakeup. But hold on to your chargers, folks, because nothing screams innovation quite like thicker phones with bigger batteries. Yep, you heard that right. Let's dive into what makes the Ultra special. Say goodbye to Pro Max, hello to Ultra. The big news? The iPhone 17 Pro Max might officially be dead, and in its place, we have the mysterious iPhone 17 Ultra. According to leaks from U1122, this bad boy won't just be a rebranded version of last year's model. It's packing some serious heat. Feature breakdown, bigger battery. Ever tried streaming Netflix while your phone dies halfway through episode 3? Yeah, neither have I. Oh wait, yes I have. Well, rumor has it the Ultra's larger battery aims to solve that problem once and for all. No word yet on whether it'll power your toaster too, but hey, hope springs eternal. Smaller dynamic island. Remember when everyone freaked out about the notch? Now it's all about the dynamic island. Apparently the Ultra gets an even tinier version, so small you might mistake it for lint on your screen. Vapor chamber. Cooling. Phones overheating during gaming sessions? Not anymore. The Ultra supposedly comes equipped with vapor chamber cooling technology, a fancy term for your phone stays chill under pressure. My buddy Josh Render explains it better than I ever could. But basically, it's like giving your phone its own personal air conditioner. And guess what? These upgrades aren't coming cheap. So if you thought the Pro Max was expensive, buckle up because the Ultra sounds like it's aiming straight for your savings account. Not everyone needs Ultra-level insanity. While the Ultra steals the spotlight, let's not forget the rest of the gang. Here's what the full lineup might look like come September. iPhone 17, your standard flagship device, still great, still pricey, but without the bells and whistles of its fancier siblings, iPhone 17 Air. Think ultralight laptops, but now applied to smartphones. Sources say it'll rock a basic A19 chip and single lens camera, setup perfect for anyone who wants an iPhone without breaking the bank or needing professional grade photography skills. iPhone 17 Pro, still the middle child, but don't count it out. Expect top-tier specs minus the Ultra exclusives. Apple's rumored rebranding spree includes killing off the Plus models entirely. Instead, they're introducing the Air, a name change that makes us wonder if they're secretly testing a drone version next. But wait, there's more. Remember that foldable iPhone everyone keeps talking about? Turns out it's still 2 years away, but Apple's already planning ahead. Smart move or desperate attempt to stay relevant? You decide. Why should you care? Let's talk real-world impact. At the end of the day, these leaks raise one big question. Does Apple truly innovate anymore, or are they just playing catch-up in style? Sure, the Ultra sounds impressive, but does anyone really need a phone with vapor chamber cooling, or is this just another case of features for the sake of features? To put things into perspective, imagine buying a car loaded with options you'll never use. Do you really need heated seats and a built-in espresso machine? Probably not. Same goes for smartphones. While Samsung and Google focus on practicality, Apple seems determined to turn its devices into status symbols. What do you think? Are these upgrades worth the hype, or is Apple losing touch? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'm dying to hear them. So there you have it. The iPhone 17 Ultra leak decoded, along with everything else you need to prepare for Apple's big reveal. Whether you're Team Ultra, Team Air, or just holding onto your old iPhone 12 for dear life, one thing's clear: September 2025 is shaping up to be a game changer. Before you go, smash that like button or risk waking up tomorrow to find your current phone transformed into a literal brick, and subscribe for more tech breakdowns that won't leave you confused or broke. Quick poll. Would you trade your kidney for the iPhone 17 Ultra, or are you sticking with Android? Let me know. I'll compile the results for laughs later. Peace out.